Hi, everybody. Salima here. I have a really quick way to reset your nervous system. So if you found that you're agitated, nervous, anxious, gone into flight mode, you want to take off, you've gone into freeze mode, you just want to lie still and not move and make sure nobody sees you, you've gone into fight mode, your temper's risen, or you're starting to fawn, you're doing people-pleasing stuff and you want to just chill out on all that stuff, whatever it is, here is a very simple technique. We're going to go right to it. My name is Salima, yoga therapist, and this is what I do, Kundalini yoga to heal the nervous system, to help with trauma, mental, emotional, spiritual well-being. Let's get into it. Press your palms together, and then you're going to cross your thumbs over top of each other. That's it. That's all. Very simple. We're going to add a breathing technique here. Inhale for 4 and exhale for 4. That's it. So here's your first option. You can leave your hands just right here, or you can bring them up just above your head, or stretch your arms all the way up so that your elbows are hugging close to your ears. Whichever option works best for you, that's the one you choose. Close your eyes now and breathe. Inhale for 4. Exhale for 4. And continue. Remember to check in with your posture. Just make any small adjustments. Make sure that your body is as upright as you possibly can. Shoulders are relaxed. Chin is tucked in. Eyes are closed. And continue. We're here for just another minute. Inhale deeply. Hold here. Hold steady. And softly, gently exhale. Bring your hands all the way down. Just taking a moment here, relaxing, noticing how your breath has changed. Notice how sensation in your body may have changed. Maybe you're feeling a little clearer, a little more present. And that's it, that's all. A little more present is all we're going for. I hope you found that helpful. Lots more tools available here. And if you're looking for more quick tips and spiritual wisdom, spiritual inspiration, come and join me on Instagram at YogaVision. Love to have you there. Love to increase the conversation wherever we go about how helpful Kundalini yoga can be. Lots of love to you. Until next time.